Hey guys, so today I'm going to react to Juicy Gets a Girlfriend. So as you know, please subscribe to Josh Dub. And thank you for watching. Sorry for the hesitation. So let's go on to the video.
Strange markings on the wall. I think we need to decipher them to get out.
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué está pasando?
Oh my gosh. No, I don't think it says that.
What? What?
Oh my god.
This video is brought to you by Dragon Tamer. Without Dragon Tamer, this video wouldn't exist. If you're watching Mr. Beast,
Let's skip this part. No. Finally.
Hey, boys. You guys like fingers?
Wait. That's really creepy. Bro. That is creepy. Look at his eyes, bro. Bro.
Yeah.
Are you
like getting
possessed?
tickled?
he likes fingers.
Yeah. Oh. wait, stop sucking my finger. Dog, stop sucking my finger.
I'm sorry, dude. I just got excited.
Chill out, dog. What's wrong with you? Hey.
My mum and dad said something about strangers in dark places. I can't quite remember what it was.
Yeah, last time I let a stranger
I forgot to do this. Okay, back, let's go.
tickle me. I didn't come home for 3 weeks.
We've already established a level of trust because of you sucking on his finger.
But I've gotten what I wanted out of this.
Should we follow him?
There's more fingers.
How many more fingers are we talking, big guy?
I'm talking an entire hall full of limbs. Fingers.
Oh my
galore.
God!
Hang on,
Josh, we gotta go. Josh, come on!
No, this isn't like the guy in the van with the packet of candy. This seems like it could possibly have some bad ramifications on us and our personal development.
It tickles.
Alright, works for me. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go!
Let's go.
Eddie, this doesn't look fun at all. You said it would be like just like a big tickling party with fingers to suck. This is terrifying.
There.
Are you kidding me? I'm not fucking walking through there, dude.
Come on.
Are you is your fucking sombrero
Just get in, dude. Doesn't even matter.
on too tight?
Was this some kind of like fingering glory hole? Are we in like a public restroom right now? How many truckers are hanging their arms through these holes right now? Alright, let's all go at once. Juicy, you lead.
Yeah, you go first.
Are you serious?
Juicy, you've got the most experience with fingers. I think it's best if you go first.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ew! What is this? Come on, guys. Come on. It's kind of warm. It feels kind
How's
of
the
good on
water
my toes.
juicy?
I don't think it's water. I think it's congealed cum. It feels nice.
You go next, Josh.
Oh boy.
Ándale, güey, no eres pinche asustado. There you go.
This is really ticklish. It's not even that scary, dude. Hey! I just felt that. You're getting too handsy, this one. Sorry. It's tickling me, dude. It's tickling me.
Oh, Juicy.
Boys,
What happened?
this one's wearing me like a puppet.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Get him, Josh. Help him. Josh,
Josh, he's
help him.
gripping my liver! Please!
Oh God!
Eddie, what
have
do
you
we
ever
do?
gotten
What do we do?
you ever gotten listen? Have you ever gotten your hand stuck in like a vending can machine when you were young, trying to get cans out? Just relax
yeah.
your liver.
How do I relax my f***ing liver?
You're right. That only works for the
What?
grabby.
Damn, mommy, you got 3, 2, 1. Don't make those. Go.
Quick, come on.
Oh, shit. What the? I don't remember putting that there.
Hang on a sec. Hang on. Where's my wallet? Son of a bitch! Which one of you bastards took my wallet, huh? Damn it! This is why I don't like going to carnivals.
Damn, I thought I saw a Mexican arm hanging out from over there somewhere, dog.
God damn it. Don't chew on the hands. No, don't chew on the hands.
Juicy, don't suck the fingers.
Corona, boy.
Juicy.
Juicy.
Ah.
Don't suck the fingers, dude. That's how they get you.
Tasted like Laffy Taffy.
Okay, that's how I'm getting the fuck out of here. This is like every family reunion, dude. Get off me, Grandma.
Okay.
One of them poked me in the fucking eye, dude.
Well, at least one didn't shove himself elbow deep up your asshole and grip your liver.
All right, can we take a break from the scary shit and just go into this nice kid area for a sec? Just relax.
I'm 100% down. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on,
Okay,
boys.
let's go.
All right, here we go. Oh.
What?
Oh my God! Wait, did you see that?
See what?
No estés chingando.
Josh, did you not see that?
Güey, me va a agarrar, me va a tocar y me va a decir
What?
cosas en mi oído.
Oh,
así
no,
como
no.
que-
Oh, no, this is
Eddie, come on. Listen to me. English.
Okay.
Get out the saxophone, dude.
Josh, you don't understand. When he speaks Spanish, bad things start happening.
Well, look, I'm sure this is just the kid area. They just forgot to turn the lights on, and they ran out of piñatas, so they just hung up some ham and some garbage bags. This is a Barney house, Barney's playtime, right? There's got to be some snacks and stuff around, surely.
Look,
What?
What did you see?
I swear, I saw him. He was right there. He's still here.
Who was there?
Barney!
His real name is Neil Patrick Harris. Alright, and he lives a progressive lifestyle. There's nothing to be scared of. Come on, I'll show you.
Yeah, you go first then, big guy.
Nothing to be worried about. Oh my God, what the
I told you, dog.
Boys, I think it's a clue. Look, what are these strange markings on the wall? I think we need to decipher them to get out.
Stop being stupid, God damn it. Stop.
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué está pasando?
Oh
¿Qué
my
está
God.
pasando?
Oh my God. What the heck?
Okay, Eddie, Juicy, I have an idea. It's clear that me and Eddie have the best chance of becoming doctors or curing cancer. I mean, you can't even really color in the lines properly without asking for help. So I think...
See, Josh, then...
Hang on, let's be fair about this. Let's put it to a vote.
Gavin!
Stop being a pussy!
Go, Juicy, go, stop it.
Oh my God.
Never mind.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is weird. Yeah, I found a torch, dude. Oh wait, it's a key. Oh, what the
Was that the key? That's the key to the exit.
He touched my ass!
Right, that's it. I'm f***ing getting out of here, dude.
I got another key.
Oh, God, he's right there. He's right there.
I got another key!
Yes, we have 3 keys. Josh, come on. Go.
Yes!
Go.
Yes!
Oh, God.
my God.
Yes, you escaped. Good for you.
Oh, that was horrible.
Bravo.
Hey, party, I
So far, shut.
Jay.
Dog, listen. Okay, sometimes I...
have some quiet time.
Come on, boys. Wait,
Oh my God, what the
what the f*** is this?
What?
Hey, shut the
Whoa.
f*** up. This is the house of
Don't
silence.
yell
Wait.
that. Don't yell that at
It's the House of Silence.
Is she
Wait.
coming? She's actually coming, dude.
Yeah,
She's
Oh my
actually
God,
coming
wait,
closer.
wait, boys,
She's actually
shut
coming
up.
closer, dude. Oh my God, she's actually walking towards us, dude.
Do you have
Juicy, be
boobs?
careful.
No, don't ask her if she's got boobs. Of course she has
Hey,
boobs.
baby, you fart
Holy
with
shit.
that ass?
Oh
Wait,
God.
boys,
what do I say to her? What do I say to her?
Get in the corner, get in the corner.
Just run, dude, run.
Run.
Oh, there was another one!
Oh my God, what the fuck, dude? Run, dude, run.
Hell no.
It's a dead end!
Oh, Jesus Christ. Hang on, what are girls like?
Girls like, Juicy, think!
Pandora bracelets, right? Does anyone have any Pandora bracelets?
and
Yeah,
they
yeah.
like flowers. They
Hannah
like it when you
tattoos?
cut your ear off and give it to them in a box.
No, that's... Oh shit, she's right there. Go, dude, run.
Right there. Run the other way.
Where do we go? Which way do we go? She's
I
coming,
don't
dude.
know. I don't know.
Wait, she's coming, dude. She's coming.
Is
I
she?
can smell her boobs.
Oh my God, she's coming.
Go, dude, run.
Let's go.
This
Let's
way.
go.
Oh, she's right there. Let's go.
Oh, go.
Boys, this way.
This
think
way.
What?
Juicy. Juicy, you brought us to a dead end. Go, she's coming. Wait, Josh.
Wait, what?
Josh.
She did the sex on me.
What?
I'm so sorry.
She broke my virginity. It's going to be a whole year before my virginity resets now.
You were about to prestige.
Oh God, she's coming again. I'm getting out of here, dude. I'm getting the f*** out of here.
All right, let's go.
Why did
She's
we
got
come to an
cooties all
all-girls?
over her
Jesus
face.
Christ.
Oh,
Why did we
fuck.
come to an all-girls school, dude?
I thought I would get a girlfriend.
Wait,
Come on.
that. There.
There.
that the exit?
Yes, it has to be.
No, God damn
Juicy,
it. We just said
Juicy.
the exit
God
is there.
damn it.
You were like the...
Ow!
Oh, you slipped in all the blood. Oh, you idiot.
Wait.
Oh, did one of the girls sneeze here or something? What happened?
Don't you know that once a month, girls get really bad nosebleeds? It's probably what you slipped in.
Oh, and she's
What?
sneezed and blood went.
Come on.
Still got mine.
I still got mine.
I lost my virginity. Can we go back and get...
Eat your virgin.
Oh.
Can you... I see over the world. Pretty sure. Yeah. See who's
Not
like
the mannequin room.
What does
Not
it
the
mean?
man doll.
celebrity.
Who's the exam?
The mannequin. Yeah.
Oh, you, Mr. M&M's.
Oh my gosh.
Juicy, that's not Eminem. That's a mannequin.
No, sure it is, Eddie. It's that guy that goes up.
Just said mannequin.
Mannequin. Why'd you stop? Please excuse my friend, Mr. M&M.
Right, that's it.
Come on,
you
Joe.
got. Oh, dude. That's
Oh,
this
wait,
creepy
wait.
mannequin house. God, why is it so creaky in here?
It is really creaky.
Oh, dude.
That. I really don't like this. I'm not
No
a
me
big
gusta.
fan of
No me
dolls.
gusta.
And it's literally just a bunch of dolls. Okay.
Hell no.
Wait.
Moving. What the fuck, dude?
It did.
Oh,
No, it didn't.
oh my god.
Ah,
It's moving. What the fuck, dude?
It did.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Go, just go. Just go.
It's chasing me. It's
The exit is blocked.
Please just go.
They're coming, dude. They're alive, dude. They're alive.
Don't look behind you. Don't look behind you.
I hate dolls.
They're having a meltdown.
Go back.
Go.
I wasn't scared.
It wasn't really that. Juicy. Shut the up! You suck at tap dancing! You'll never be anything!
The what?
Please! F***ing stop!
What's wrong, huh? You don't like spiders?
I hate tap dancing, but I hate spiders even more. This is the...
When he said he hates tap dancing, does he mention... I think he's mentioning about Harry Potter. I remember that. Gosh. Bro.
Worst of both.
Okay guys, so that's it. You know why I skipped? Because I got bored. So right now, bye. And subscribe and like.